Morning, Friday.
May nakita akong bata. Nasa
Ay, teka, wait lang ha. It's the last day of school.
May nakita akong bata. Nasa tricycle.
For the week.
May nakita akong,
O, baka mga ano.
may nakita akong bata. Nasa tricycle. Eh, nalaman ko, sa Inocente din siya.
Schoolmate pala kayo. Makulim-lim, no? Today is PE Day. Wow. Yung bata ako, favorite ko ang PE Day.
Bakit?
Eh kasi may games eh.
Ako nga, may games kami.
Okay, just be sports, okay? In whatever games that you will play, always be a good sport kahit na sometimes you will lose. Diba? And that's the sign of being sport. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, okay? Okay. Yan. Alright, kayo mabuti kids. Be a good student.
Chachi!
And also be a good kids. Bye, Lela.
Bye.
Bye, God bless.